Yeah.
Hi guys, we are now at Pura Tirta Empul. It's a very famous temple in Bali for water blessing.
Tirta Empul Temple is a Hindu Balinese water temple located near the town of Tampak Siring, Bali, Indonesia.
No.
The temple compound consists of a Tirta or bathing structure, famous for its holy spring water, where Balinese Hindus go to for ritual purification. The temple pond has a spring which gives out fresh water regularly, which Balinese Hindus consider to be holy or amrita. Tirta Empul means holy spring in Balinese.